Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kayau de Jhur, Kebala Pelong Daka Agriculture Technology Management Agency, East Castles District, ringkat ke Jentrelang ber ke District Horticulture Office Shillong, kanalong ke Thnem ba, haba ke jingithiat yapet jeng kipat ba nong ya lenti bat khamtam ke nong tre office. Ya kani kayau de Jhur, bala pelong ha Phyllaw jeng ke All Saints Cathedral Hall Shillong, laple pat ba the Additional Chief Secretary ke Sarkar Jila UKN Kumar. Hakani kayau ladi omtang yaki Jhur balawara da kinongrem, handai ladi pat ba ru wat yaki so kipai, balawara na kaleng kisnong na kitai nong kendong jong kejela.
I have understood as I grew up in life that red color, essentially, if your plate has red colored vegetables, so what are you getting out of them? Tomatoes or watermelons, they are red in color. So anything that is red in color carries a certain compound called lycopene. Now lycopene is a very effective anti-cancer agent, and it also has a phenomenal role in contributing to a healthy heart. Now that is about red color vegetables. Now then you have green color vegetables. Now these green color vegetables also have a certain substance. In fact, not one, there are multiple substances. As in the case of, say, all the green leafy vegetables, you have something called lutein, you have something called zeaxanthin. Now these are the substances which help you in keeping your eyes very safe and proper. Now let us move to any other color. Let's say purple color. Now purple is something which is rare actually in the plant kingdom. Brinjals are purple, blueberries are purple, even closer home, soyong is purple. Now these purple kind of vegetables carry a particular substance called anthocyanins. Now anthocyanins are actually antioxidants and they neutralize the free radicals which flow in our system. So they neutralize the cancer causing substances. So anthocyanins are of great help. Even as a small student, even in class 10 student, you would know that white is actually a combination of all the colors. So white colored vegetables like say cauliflower or cabbage, what do they have? They contain sulfur-rich compounds which ward off lots of cancer-causing substances. Whatever free radicals are there in our system, they are neutralized because of sulfur-rich compounds. So pick up any one color, it has a second compound which will help us. So that's the beauty as to why we must pick up. We must put more vegetables and more colorful vegetables on our plate. And as I grew up, as I said, this may look like grandmother's tale once again, but as I grew up, I understood that there is phenomenal value in what she had said when I was still very young. And I try to follow that. For the benefit of people from my department, let me say this, that I have chosen to be a vegetarian by choice, in spite of the fact that I belong to a family where everyone is a vegetarian.
Lagi kamram kia pendek, kadep karyang katun kadep. Nado dang step kendong Ken jusalia kasep katang yong. Ken jusalia kuslap kasni, wat lada pedong ne sok klian kakli. Bonki jingkung, bonki Jhur, bagoy banmi, bangsan banku. Hapolay noy sobnay, layo bandi, jinglut jingsep, layo bankli. Sok lakum, sok kia motor, upan kashriu, muli kajor. Sok sao kubi, tersu ukul, banjir kerteng lot hamni kopi ru lapul. Bonjat ki Jhur, ki Kibasan bami hapok kendau Nesha trong pur-pur. Oh, bonjat ki Jhur. Kibasan bami hapok kendau Nesha trong pur-pur. Ki Jhur bami na Meghalaya. Ki koi syarit harsha teleng di jelas. Ki dunia kapis kacing mat paper. Ki yatiman keleng everywhere. Banyak pumpkin ya pon ya fry. Ne hapo diary kum sok jiban nilai. Lada yola, lada gak proses. Kinom sekei tiba tambah ekses. Oh, bonjat ki Jhur. Bon kibat trip balap pulih benia. Ki Jhur dia rap ya kekot kekia. Don nutrition ya rapat penjem. Kum digestion ni stomach problem. Olah dapiang kador kamur. Ina dong pisah las ay hur-hur. Lagi akhir dor lada syaknyot. Syakot kilo wos mau syot lot. Day manyasian wajing ya rap. Lada syaknya dor wat syuya snap. Mafia siaruki mahajon. Nong rep babli wat syuya nyon. Mafia siaruki mahajon. Nong rep babli wat syuya nyon.